put it on the top thing. That makes it much easier. I need to do what?
Raise it at least like 6 inches.
Okay.
Alright.
So right now we just finished the clearing phase on this pond project behind me, and we've got all these piles of downed trees here, all the good wood that can be used for either milling, firewood, anything like that, that's already been harvested. But now we're left with all these uneven, weird trunks, stuff that's got thorns all over them, and just all this scraggly stuff that is really just a pain in the butt to mess with. On every clearing project, there's a few different options that you have. We can either take the stuff, we can bury it. We can take the stuff, just pile it out of the way. We can mulch it up. We can bring in a big drum mulcher, and then you have lots of piles of mulch. And then the last option is to burn it. You can see that's what we're doing behind me. Basically, it's just the most economical way to get rid of everything. It's out of sight, out of mind. Just basically completely disappears.